Hey, what's up guys? It's Tech Jake here. If you're interested in picking up the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G at a limited discount, check out the link in the description below. So, let's dive into the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. This phone is seriously a beast. It's built tough with Gorilla Glass Victus on both the front and back, which is twice as strong as the previous generation, and it's wrapped in a sleek stainless steel frame that just feels premium in hand. The display is huge, 6.9 inches of dynamic AMOLED 2X goodness, rocking a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate. That means scrolling, gaming, and streaming look absolutely stunning with super crisp details at a 1440 by 3088 resolution. Colors pop, and everything just looks sharp. It comes running Android 10 out of the box with Samsung's One UI 3.0, which you can upgrade to Android 11. One UI is clean and smooth, with improved notifications and animations that really polish the experience. Under the hood, it's powered by the Snapdragon 865 Plus 5G chipset, a powerhouse for gaming and multitasking. In some regions, you might get the Exynos 990, which is still very capable. The octa-core CPU combined with the Mali G77MP11 GPU means you're covered for heavy gaming and demanding apps without a hitch. This phone is also IP68 rated, meaning it's dust-proof, dirt-proof, and can survive being underwater up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. So, yeah, you can capture underwater shots or survive the rain with confidence. Memory-wise, you get 12 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage, expandable up to a massive 1 terabyte via microSD. So you won't run out of space for apps, photos, or videos anytime soon. Now, one of the coolest features has to be the S Pen. This thing has evolved into a full productivity tool. It's more responsive than ever, supports air gestures, lets you control the camera remotely, navigate files, and even convert handwriting to text. It's more than just a stylus. On the camera front, you get a triple setup on the back: a 108MP wide sensor, a 12MP periscope telephoto lens, and a 12MP ultra-wide lens. The camera is capable of professional-level shots and ultra-clear zoom. Features like LED flash, auto HDR, and panorama are all included. Video recording is next level. You can shoot in 8K at 24 frames per second, 4K at 30 or 60 frames per second, and slow-motion 1080p at up to 240 frames per second, plus 720p at 960 frames per second. The front camera is 10MP with support for 4K video and dual video calling. Audio is handled by stereo loudspeakers for a solid soundstage, though there's no 3.5mm headphone jack. Security-wise, the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor sits under the display, unlocking the phone quickly and securely. You also get sensors like a compass, gyroscope, and barometer, rounding out the premium package. Another standout is Samsung Wireless DeX, letting you wirelessly connect your phone to a compatible display for a desktop-like experience, perfect for productivity on the go. The battery clocks in at 4,500 mAh, non-removable, and supports 25W fast charging, 15W wireless charging, and 4.5W reverse wireless charging, so you can power up quickly and even share battery juice with other devices. Connectivity options are solid: Bluetooth 5.0, NFC for easy data transfer and payments, Wi-Fi 6, 802.11x, 5G support, and more. It comes in 3 classy colors: Mystic Bronze, Mystic Black, and Mystic White. So, why pick the Note 20 Ultra 5G? You get a tough Gorilla Glass design, a gorgeous AMOLED display with 120Hz, flagship-level Snapdragon 865 Plus performance, tons of RAM and storage, a pro-grade camera system with 8K video, the powerful and handy S Pen, IP68 durability, Samsung DeX desktop mode, and fast charging options. A couple of downsides: no headphone jack, occasional minor S Pen lag, and some users have noticed screen brightness issues in direct sunlight. To quickly answer some FAQs, pixel binning helps improve low-light photos by combining pixels. It features that 6.9-inch AMOLED 2X screen with Gorilla Glass Victus protection. The processor is Snapdragon 865 Plus, or Exynos 990 depending on the region, It supports ultrasonic fingerprint unlocking and fast wired and wireless charging. And the battery is 4,500 mAh. In the box, you'll get the phone itself, the S Pen, SIM ejector tool, USB Type-C cable, and depending on your region, a protective case. Alright, that's it for this full review of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more awesome tech content. Catch you in the next one.